Look at this new beauty I just received from VOCIER, the P55 carry-on luggage in a new color, waiting for me to unbox it. As you can see here, it came with a protective dust bag, and those you may know, I have already one in black. And now I am going to present you its new beautiful twin in Arctic White. As you can see, the handles are still covered. Just look at this beauty. In a timeless, sleek design, the exterior is in high quality polycarbonate with leather details. Let me smoothly pull up the handles, and I'm gonna give you guys a 360 show. Here we have the TSA approved combination lock with the VOCIER branding on the zips. Furthermore, let's have a look on the other side. It has leather handles and other leather details in black, perfectly blends with Arctic White. Now let's open it and have a look inside. And here we go, let's lay it down flat. So as you can see here, we have two separate compartments which you can open and close with zipped covers. Within this cover, we have two separate pockets that you can use for your passport or whatever you like that's flat. And then let me open this compartment. Wow, it's very spacious and it feels luxurious. I really love this. On the other side, we have one big pocket. Oh, a thank you card from VOCIER. How lovely. So this pocket consists of a big net, very spacious also. And we're gonna open this large compartment. Yep, this is it. How extravagant. Love the material here. Now let's close it. I cannot wait to travel with this bag. Last but not least, I'm going to present you our supermodel on our catwalk at home.